In this lesson, we will learn how to install Tableau on Windows 11. So let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Tableau desktop and press enter. So Tableau desktop comes with a 14 days free trial. We will be using the same version because it includes all the features of Tableau. After typing Tableau desktop, the official website is visible, that is tableau.com. Click on it. After clicking, here you can see the Tableau desktop is visible and start a free trial button can be seen. Click on it. Now here it's written start your free 14-day trial. So I'll add my information here. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I've added my information. Now let's go below. After adding the information, I'll click I agree. Click download free trial. Now the download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Here it is. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here it's written accept the terms of the license agreement. Select the checkbox and click install. The installation started. Let's wait. We have installed Tableau. The desktop shortcut also got created on its own. Now Tableau will open for the first time. Here it is. Now Tableau opened and it is asking us to activate. I told you we'll be using the free trial for 14 days. So click here. So this is the same email ID we used before. Okay. Click register. The registration is complete. Click continue. So we opened Tableau for the first time. For a free Tableau tutorial, do refer to the links in the description of the video. We have also added Tableau notes as well as free interview questions. Thank you for watching.